Rebel Wilson lost 80 lbs, her incredible journey. Imagine Rebel Wilson, famous for her infectious humor, facing a 300-pound body, constant fatigue, and low self-esteem. Her transformation wasn't a stroke of luck. It was method, discipline, and structured habits. A typical workout day began with 30 to 40 minutes of moderate cardio, like light jogging, stationary bike, or elliptical, followed by strength training 3 times a week, focusing on legs, glutes, arms, and core, using dumbbells and machines to boost metabolism and tone muscles. Every session was designed to burn calories, strengthen the body, and generate lasting energy throughout the day. For nutrition, Rebel followed a sustainable calorie deficit. Breakfast included scrambled eggs, spinach, and oatmeal. Lunch featured grilled chicken, assorted vegetables, and brown rice, while dinner was lighter with salmon or lentils, vegetables, and sweet potato. Small snacks like nuts or plain yogurt between meals kept metabolism active and prevented excessive hunger. Refined sugar, fried foods, and processed items were eliminated, while small conscious indulgences helped maintain discipline without frustration. Beyond exercise and diet, Rebel understood that sleep and recovery were essential. She adopted practices for better rest, including consistent sleep schedules, a dark, quiet environment, and natural support from supplements like SleepLEAN, which helps improve sleep quality, boost metabolism, and control nighttime appetite. Restful sleep made workouts more effective, energy levels higher, and fat burning more efficient. The link to explore SleepLEAN is in the description. Safe and natural, perfect for anyone aiming for consistent results. The challenge wasn't just physical. Days of low motivation, external criticism, and minor setbacks were part of the journey. Rebel stayed focused by setting small daily goals, like completing her workout, preparing all meals in advance, or sleeping 7 to 8 hours. Problem and solution, cycle facing obstacles, and taking concrete actions is what truly transformed her body and mind. By combining structured exercise, balanced nutrition, restful sleep, and natural support from SleepLEAN, Rebel lost about 80 pounds in a year, but her biggest transformation was internal. More energy, confidence, and overall health. Each pound lost reflected effort, discipline, and strategic planning. The clear lesson: lasting transformation requires practical steps, consistency, and the right support, not miracle shortcuts. If you want to start your own journey, take small steps. Plan your workouts. Adjust your diet, prioritize sleep, and consider SleepLEAN as a natural ally to enhance your results. The link is in the description. Ready to explore? And to keep inspired, click the next video to discover how Chris Pratt went from a funny, heavier version of himself to a Hollywood superhero, showing real, actionable strategies you can start today. Bye!